Yo, this video gonna be about my experience 2 years in, like, driving trucks. Currently it has been 2 years. And my experience driving, I drove local for Dollar General in Greer, South Carolina. I did that for about 6 months. I ain't like that though, because it was so far from home, and every time I was trying to go home, I had to fly home and then fly back. It was just too far. After that, I picked another company that's just like regional. I've been with this company currently for like 2 years, and so far I've learned a lot. I'm satisfied with what I'm doing. Things that I've learned since I started March 2022. So things that I've learned, is that it's not really how I'm gonna put this. What I was expecting is not that. I honestly was expecting for me to like get rich quick, or like handle my business quick, or just get in it and overcome life obstacles that I was going through before I started driving. But nah, it's I've learned that everything takes a process, and I've learned that doing everything right and not skipping a step is the way to do it. Something else I learned driving is that I learned how to stop chasing money. I know we out here for the money and to make money, but like what I mean by like chasing money is like one company offer you this, another company will offer you this, another company will offer you even better, and that's how this industry is. Like a whole bunch of companies will have you here, there, and I don't know. I got 2 years experience right now, so I'm pretty sure I can go to another company and probably make more money, but all that bouncing around and trying to have 5 different jobs within 2 years, I don't want to do that. So that's number 2. I just learned how to just not really chase money and to really just get my experience and learn things. I'm still learning. Currently at a shipper right now, waiting to get loaded. I've been here for a minute. I mean, where I'm at? I'm in Greer, South Carolina. This video is just mainly about just an introduction. I know there's so many other truckers out there, so many other videos. I'm a little sick. Got sick in Minnesota last week. There's other truckers out there, and there's other YouTube channels that be talking about the same thing. So that's why it's really just an introduction video. Tighten Up Boss is the name, and I will be having more videos coming. Like I said, this is just like a introduction video, introducing myself to the trucking community. I've experienced a lot within my 2 years driving. I really like driving trucks. Honestly, it has changed my life financially. I'm very financially stable. um, I be out on the road for maybe 7 weeks at a time. I have family, but I don't have like a immediate family at the house to where I go home to a wife and kids. I don't have that. I got kids, but I don't have like an immediate family. Like, I'm from Florida, from Jacksonville. What else? That's pretty much it, man. I just really wanted to introduce myself to the trucking community and share my experiences. If you're new to trucking, don't listen to everybody. Don't feed into everybody BS. Don't do that. It's easy to get into that. But like I said, it's just an introduction video. I'll be back with more videos. Make sure you like and subscribe and stick around for more content. Peace.